Day 226. Fear produces slaves. Love produces sons. For the Spirit which you have now received is not a spirit of slavery to put you once more into bondage to fear, but you have received the Spirit of adoption, by whom we cry, Abba, Father. Romans 8:15. Fear can make you obey, but it cannot make you free. It can make you comply, but it cannot make you mature. Fear has language that says, I have to, or love produces language that says, I want to, I am willing to. Fear keeps you bracing, performing, hiding. Love brings you home. This is the dividing line between living as a slave and living as a son. The Father is not trying to control your behavior. He is forming and bringing forward the fullness of your true identity in Him. And as His love matures within you, obedience becomes a responsiveness to Him, not a performance with pressure. You are not trying to stay in the house by performance. You are one who has been brought in and belongs fully because of Christ. As secure as He is, so are you. As loved as He is, so are you. Now, settle in and learn to live like it. Learn to live and move freely in your Father, with your Father. Walk into any room, any situation, any conversation, knowing you are loved. And then let that love activate and energize your faith in the Father, that you might hear Him speak what He is saying to you, and to live like Him. This is His desire, and He has made full provision for it. So, settle in the truth and then step into life with Him.